This is Vince with Master Remodelers. Today we're going to be talking about ductless mini splits. That's a heating and air unit that you can see on the wall behind me. Right now you can see it is keeping this basement a comfortable 73 degrees. Ductless mini splits are a really great feature. We've seen a lot of people use them in their basement build-outs, their basement conversions. Sometimes we see them being used in a small addition, mother-in-law suite or something like that. Even a sunroom. They're super economical, and if we just stop and listen here, you can hear how quiet they are. This particular one is controlled by a remote control, so you can see that it's really simple to operate. You have a mode selection switch, a plus and a minus to make the temperature go up or down, and it's easy to convert this to heat or cool mode. These are usually quite economical to install. There's even, if you're a really brave DIYer, there are some DIY installation kits online that you can get. This particular unit was ordered online, and I believe it cost about $800, and then installation with the crew that we had ran about another $500 or $600. So under $2,000. This 650 square foot basement build out has a great heating and air unit that's quiet and easy to maintain. Again, this is Vince with Master Remodelers.